Subscribe to my channel Making Impossible and press the bell icon so that you don't miss any one of my upcoming videos.
Yo, what's up friends? I'm Shulazari and welcome back to Making Impossible, the channel that teaches you how to make the impossible and be the smartest person in the room. In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you an amazing coin through glass trick which is very simple to do, and yet it is so visual that the spectators are going to get baffled. You can also perform this with a sign coin which will actually leave the spectator speechless. So without any further ado, let's see the performance of the trick and then we are going to know how it's done.
This week's Instagram feature goes to Crazy Magician. Follow him on Instagram. Link is given in the video description. I'll feature one lucky Instagram user every Monday in my Smack That Monday episodes. If you want your Instagram profile or page to be featured in my next Smack That Monday episode, follow the simple steps that are given in the video description. So now, let's continue.
Okay guys, here's the performance of this coin through glass trick. Now as you can see, I have a glass made of glass and there's no opening anywhere around this glass except for this one, and I'm actually going to give this glass to the spectator for examining. And let's say the spectator is actually examining the glass. I don't have a spectator, so I'm actually going to keep it in my pocket for the moment, and I have a coin in my hand, and if the spectator wants, they can also sign this coin. And let's say they are also going to examine the coin, and after they have examined it and signed it, I'm just going to take the coin and then I'm actually going to take the glass out from my pocket. Actually, in reality, I'll actually take the glass back from the spectator after they examine it, and then what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take the coin and try to put it from the bottom of the glass into the glass. So on the count of 3, 1, 2, 3, you can see that the coin has actually went inside the glass, right? So that's the coin through glass trick, and let's see how you can do it. Okay guys, this is how you're going to do this trick. Now for doing this trick, you need just a simple glass made of glass and is completely see-through and having a flat bottom, not those long ones. And you're going to need a simple coin, and also you're not going to wear any ring on any of these fingers. So at first what you're going to do is you're just going to ask your spectator to inspect the glass, that if it's a normal glass or not, and also the coin to see if it's a normal coin or not. Okay, so at this point, while your spectator is inspecting both of these things, you can ask your spectator to sign on the coin so that they know that you're not going to use any duplicate coins, and they can blame you later on for using a duplicate coin. So at this point, let's say they have finished examining the glass and the coin and they have also signed it. All you're going to do is you're going to take the coin back at first. Okay, you're going to leave the glass with the spectator. You're going to take it back later on so that you can set up this coin from beforehand, so that you can make this coin look like that it's passing through the glass. So all you're going to do is you're going to take back the coin and leave this glass with the spectator. So at first, as you take back the coin, what you're going to do is you're just going to do a French drop. Okay, now the French drop is a retention technique. It looked like that I took the coin in this hand, but the coin is actually in this hand. So I'm using this move to make the spectator think that I'm taking the coin in this hand, but I'm actually keeping the coin in this hand. Now I'm not wearing any ring on these fingers, because when I'm dropping the coin is actually not making any kind of sound, because it's not striking any metal right over here. So I'm doing the French drop technique. You can also do any other coin retention technique, whatever you feel like. But if you want to do the French drop technique and if you don't know how to do it, I have a tutorial for it, and the link to that tutorial will be given right in the description box as well as in the card. So make sure you check that out if you need to. So at this point, what I do is a French drop, and it looks like that I've taken the coin in this hand, but the coin is still right over here. Now at this point, when the spectator is looking at this hand, I drop this hand freely by the side of my body, and as I do that, I have the coin in the finger palm position. All I do is I use my thumb to actually slide the coin from this point or wherever it is between these two fingers. Okay, I slide the coin between these two fingers and then clip it between the index finger and the middle finger. I'm not going to push this coin too much because it will be visible from this side, so I'll just make sure that the coin is perfectly clipped and secured in its place by just clipping a little part of it, just like that. And all that happens when the hand is by the side of your body, you're just going to slide this coin between these two fingers. Okay, now the spectator is going to think that the coin is right over here, so at this point you're going to take the glass from the spectator using this hand where you have actually clipped the coin. Okay, and you're just going to go like this, so the coin is right over here and the spectator won't see it. Now make sure that you're not giving a glimpse of the coin through these two fingers, because that would be a very much awkward moment for you. So make sure that you have a perfectly clipped coin, and then as you go to your spectator to take the glass, you're going like this and you're going to grab the glass just like this. So as you grab the glass just like this, you have these four fingers on the front, and the spectator thinks that the coin is right over here in your hand and the thumb is over here and the coin is right in the position to drop into the glass. So all you have to do is you have to just pretend to push the coin into the glass from the bottom of the glass, and you're going to do it in a gesture, in a magical gesture, just like this. You're going to count 1, 2, and on the third time you're just going to pretend that you have just pushed the coin inside the glass, and then as you do that, you're also going to give a good jerk to this glass, so that when you lift this coin from these two fingers and make it drop into the glass, it should not look like that the coin is coming from the top. So if you are giving a good jerk, a good shape to the glass, this motion of the coin falling from the top to the bottom gets hidden, and for that reason it looks like that the coin has went into the glass from the bottom, just like that. So that is how this trick is done, and that's it for the tutorial. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up if you did so, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram at Shoelazari. Also, if you have any questions, you can use the comment section for that, and don't forget to subscribe to my other channel, which is a pretty savage channel. I post funny videos over there, and the link to that channel will be given right in the description box as well as in the cards. And don't forget to smash the subscribe button of this channel if you're not a subscriber yet, and turn on the post notifications so that you don't miss my upcoming videos and my future Smack That Monday episodes. Peace.